What is acne is not a matter of fact for anyone. You can simply think it is just a pimple and will get removed soon. But pimple and acne are two different things. Today I will explain you what is acne, how it come up and what are the effect of an acne if occur in your skin. Acne is a skin disease often characterized by inflammation in the skin, eruption in lesions. This condition is widespread particularly during adolescence and the majority of people experience it at some time during their life. There are many myths about what causes and cure acne and an enormous industry has built up around products intended to help prevent and treat the disease, especially in teenagers. To understand acne, it is important to understand at least basically what a hair follicle looks like. The follicle is buried in the skin and a hair grows out of it, breaking the skin surface. Attached to the follicle are sebaceous glands which produce an oil called sebum that help keep skin healthy. Acne occur when, for whatever reason, the hair follicle get blocked and the sebum built up under the skin. In that rich environment, bacteria start to grow, eventually causing pimples. Although many people think of acne only as an erupted red form, often referred to as a zit or pimple, it was included some non-inflammatory forms known as comedones. Comedones comes in two forms, whiteheads and blackheads. A whitehead is formed when the mass of bacteria and sebum formed by a blocked follicle stayed underneath the surface of the skin and can be extremely small sometimes, even invisible to the eyes. A blackhead is formed when the erupted mass is opened to the surface, allowing the melanin in the trapped sebum to oxidize and become black. Ideally, this non-inflamed form of acne eventually drains to build up sebum and bacteria to the surface and the skin heals. Often, however, the interior wall of the follicle ruptures either because of the internal pressure or, more commonly, because of picking at the skin. Once this happens, white blood cells or more commonly because of picking of that skin. Once that happen, white blood cells flood into already engorged follicle to battle the bacteria and the acne become inflamed in what is called a papulle. At this point, the acne is still largely below the skin, and although it is visible to the naked eyes, it is more as an angry section of skin that has what most people call a pimple. The pimple formed when the white blood cells during the battle with the bacteria make their way to the surface of the skin, erupting into large white or whitish yellow lump. Truly severe case can lead to extreme inflammation in the form of cysts or nodules as well. Acne isn't entirely understood, but it is though the most people that diet actually has little to nothing to do with this development. Traditionally, many people believe that certain foods such as greasy food or chocolate cause pimple, but most studies have shown this is not to be the case. Treating acne can be done with any number of lotion and cream, mostly containing benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. But one of the best way to treat the condition is simply to regular wash your face with warm water and a very mild soap, reducing the amount of oil on the skin that can build up and cause blockage. This is what acne is. It can be simply cured by washing the extra oil from the face. Your diet has nothing away in this. That's all for today. Have a great day ahead.